another plumbing product review.
Did you know, according to home.costhelper.com, to clear the average drain, simple drain like this one here, it would go, the price is anywhere from $50 to $450. You just may want to stand by and watch the rest of this video and save yourself a lot of money. You can also call one of your local drain cleaning companies and get a quote. A lot of the larger companies do give free estimates, but keep in mind, they won't give you that free quote over the phone. Hello, my name's Claude Taylor, and welcome to the How To Plumbing channel. That's right, give it a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying these videos and liking the videos, become a subscriber. Want to find out about all the new videos coming out? Hit that notification bell.
Okay,
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, this is another plumbing product review, and the people over at DrainX got in touch with me and asked if I would do a review on one of their products. So they sent me a little small DrainX drain cleaner, a small stainless steel, about 3 feet long, maybe around 3/8 stainless steel cable cleaner. It's pretty nice, and for the price I don't think you can beat it. Yes, there are times that you're going to need a larger machine, but it's good to have this just as a backup if you have small stuff like this here. This particular drain here, I'm not using it at all because I don't really need to. The access to the P-trap up under the sink is easy access. It's not that old of a building, but evidently they've been in here long enough to accumulate enough hair, as you can see right there. But if you are able to periodically keep it clean like this here, you will prevent a lot of problems down the road. And this one here was just easily cleaned out using my hands, really no tools. And as you can see, you'll see the most tool that I used on this was a coat hanger, just to clear the riser out.
Turn it off a minute.
And this is what I normally do. A lot of times I'll go into a home and it's really easy to most of the stoppage is right there in that trap right there and that riser going up, which we would call the pop-up. And what I would do is or any other plumber would just take the back of that pop-up lever off, pull it out the way, and lift the plug up out the way, and usually it's got the hair and everything on it. Then you would clean out the trap, and once the trap is cleaned out, you would just leave this open and exposed for now, and this is where I put the tissue down in there and just pushed it right through with the clothes hanger. And if you're in a newer home, a home like this is not very difficult to get access to it and take it out really easy. I mean, you're going to save a whole bunch of money before you call a drain cleaning company to come out to clear that line.
Thing.
That is the pop-up lever that
back in. No, down there.
makes the
You can see it.
pop-up itself go up and down, where you can relieve the water or plug it up, whichever you need to do. So once that's clean out, I just go ahead and put that back in. You may not see it right now. I am holding the pop-up plug up at the top and lining it up where it just go right into the hole and get it back to action. Now here is a this is a different sink. This is this sink here. I really don't want to mess with the trap up underneath because the trap's pretty old and it can cause issues later. So this is where this DrainX small little cable comes in handy. And what I'm doing here is I'm running some water just to see how bad it actually is plugged up, and then as you can see, it's really not that bad, but you can hear a little burping. That's an indication there is something down there, so we want to at least get that little bit out the way. And this tool here is perfect because it's made of stainless steel and is very flexible, which is good because you can get around that P-trap down at the bottom. And these are things you can't do with a regular coat hanger. I know I've been out there, I've done them with coat hangers before myself. It's not easy, but this makes it a lot easier than a coat hanger itself because it can make the turn that a coat hanger cannot make. And me personally, I could see using this in a lot of applications. And if you were a plumber, you'd probably understand that this would be great for condensation lines in AC units that are in attics. And we're down here in Texas where a lot of the water heaters and AC units are in the attic and the drains up there, and this would come in handy up there. Usually I just push the push the cable as far as it'll go, and when it stops, that's when you actually twist so you can get past, or you can grab whatever is there that you're stuck on. If this was a clear drain, we wouldn't have had an issue. It went straight down and straight through, but you seen it did stop, so that was an indication that we did get a hold of something. And there it is, hair. So for what it's worth, if I'm not mistaken, this product might cost you around $12 actually for two of them. And I have seen them cheap as $8 for two of them on Amazon.com. And I'll give you a description in the link. Well, I'll give you a link in the description below where you can purchase it at Amazon.com. Okay, we got most of it out with the cable, so most of this, the left over here is the stuff that was kind of floated to the top. We're just gonna pull that out with our hands. Okay, well that's my review. Let me know what you think. You got your own personal review and personal ideas? Please give it to me in the description box below. And again, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Find out about our new videos coming out. Hit that notification bell.